Hello, and welcome to another episode of What's in George Zotti's Fridge. I fucking love doing this. Anyways, George is out west at Calgary Comic Expo, so I've agreed to check in on his and Sarah's cat, Boomer. And Boomer is, I don't know if you can see, but Boomer's there in the living room. Boomer's doing just fine. So, I was told there was Fudge. Let's check on Fudge.
Comic flavors. Classic flavors. This is weird. Well, first of all, I'm not drinking Guinness. I don't know what... This is the only... there's only one of these left. I hate being the person to drink the last of a beer. And I don't know what this is, so I don't know how hard it would be to replace. But, let's move the... yeah, we're going to have a Sapporo. That's pretty easy to replace. And let's try a classic flavor of Fudge. Okay, so these are the two Fudges that... Ooh, that smells like maple.
I think that's got raisins or something in it. I don't know. Let's just try the simple one. Scratch.
No. We're definitely going with this one, because those are walnuts. All right.
Let's try whatever is in George Zotti's fridge. Oh my god. Maple walnut fudge. Yeah. That was good. Whoops. And, let's wash that fudge down with a Sapporo. This has been another edition of What's in George Zotti's Fridge. Thanks, George.
Thanks, Boomer.